Hi Chris and Karen, it's Mike Kirby with Made in the Shade, and these are your patio shades, and this is your new remote. It's weatherproof, not waterproof, so it can get rained on, just don't dunk it in a pool. And this is the up and the down and the stop button. And then this button down here changes the channel. So right now I have it on channel 5, so they're all flashing. So when I push up, they'll all go up. So there you go. And if you want to stop them anytime, you just hit the middle button and they'll stop. Okay. And then if you want, I have the middle button is also called My. It's your favorite position. So if you push it, they're going to stop at a preset position. I'll show you how to reset that in a second. See how they all stopped there. That's the favorite. And then if you just hit up, they will stop on their own. And so there you go. And if you want to just change one at a time, that's shade 1, that's the one on the left over here. So if I hit down, just the one on the left will come down, boom. And then shade 2 is the big one, etc., etc. Shade 3, shade 4, and then again, this is all of them. When you do all, boom. And then you hit up and they'll all go up. Okay, and then if you want to change the favorite, you just move the shade where you want. So they're moving. Say I want the favorite to be right there. Boom. Okay, you stop them where you want. And then you just hold My for 10 seconds. Hold, 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 hold. And the shades will go boop, boop, jog. That resets the new My position. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. It's Mike Kirby, Made in the Shade, 501-672-0023. Thank you.